is cereal $6.24? That is ridiculous, and you still be hungry after you eat it. It's a fly in here, and I want it out.
Where you at? Oh, you complain. Don't say that. Sipping wine.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shatarria, but I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shay. Alright y'all, it's been 3 days since the Usher concert. The day after the Usher concert, I lost my voice. I woke up, I tried to talk, I didn't have a voice. I felt like I was getting sick prior to, hey, I'm supposed to go that way. I felt like I was getting sick prior to Usher concert, because if you go back and watch that vlog, I was coughing. Shit, the whole vlog, I guess. Whatever. So, it's not COVID. It's not any of that. My doctor says allergies. And so, I don't know. Hopefully the damn voice come back, because I don't want to be vlogging sounding like this. I'm on my way to a client. I told her, hey, is that a fly in here? Oh, God. I'm sorry, y'all, just the wobbling. Hold on. Hopefully that's a little better. Baby, y'all still wobbling. Okay. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Oh, God, wait a minute. Let me just hold y'all like this for a second. I'm on my way to a client's house. It's a fly in here, and I want it out. Let's try it again. I'm on my way to a client's house that I totally forgot about. Totally forgot about it. Because had I known, I probably would have canceled her. But when I checked my calendar this morning, I realized, oh shoot, I got a client and I didn't want to cancel on her same day. So, I'm on my way to do her makeup. Yeah, let me get off this camera, baby. Y'all don't want to hear me like this. I'm sure y'all don't. So y'all probably gonna get a lot of B-roll in this vlog. Cause what? Y'all, it's the next day and I still don't have a voice, so I haven't picked up the camera at all. But I want to come over. Excuse me. I want to come over here and show y'all. I don't know. I know my good sis Platinum. Baby, look, I can't even talk. She was selling her camera for $300, and it came with batteries. It came with 3 batteries, the charging case, this case. It just came with a lot of stuff. I was like, oh baby, y'all know I needed a new camera, so what did I do? I snatched it right on up. Yeah, so we got a new camera. Y'all, I sound a lot better. I'm not 100% better, but I sound better. At least y'all can kind of understand what it is that I'm saying. And I even kind of... What's wrong, girl?
I'm trying to
pick sister girl up from the bus stop. What's going on with this? Oh, your jacket in here?
Yeah.
It's probably caught on your jacket. Hold on.
Yeah.
You're welcome. So she done got off the bus and she showing, oh, baby, she wants y'all to see her nails.
So I got this
and those are sticker nails?
Yeah.
That's cool, baby.
And I also got these ones in hearts and kitties.
Did you have fun at school today?
Yes.
I could tell by your hair, girl. You look like you had a time. A time was had. Let's check your folder and make sure you ain't got nothing. Okay. Nobody said anything, so you're not talking. I'm proud of you, girl.
I'm proud of myself too.
You are? Because it's hard not being able to run your mouth right. Huh?
Yep.
I know that's right.
I am so hot.
So y'all, I decided since I kind of feel somewhat better, we're gonna go to Walmart.
Can we get ice cream?
We might get some more ice cream from Walmart. We're gonna go to Walmart because I need to pick. We don't have any water at home. There's no water there. Honestly, there's nothing to drink there other than milk. And baby, I don't like milk.
And I hate
But I've been drinking my probiotic milk. When I get home, I'm gonna show y'all that. I ain't had none today, but we're gonna drink that when we get home. But yeah, let's go to Walmart and pick up some groceries, cause we need it.
Hey,
I ain't never seen you eat no Fruity Pebbles before.
I just like Fruity Pebbles.
Hold on, wait a minute, cause baby, why is cereal $6.24? That is ridiculous, and you still be hungry after you eat it. That don't make sense to me. Well, I'm not buying no more cake. We bought cake the other day. You got like 4 cakes at home that haven't been cooked. Put the cake up.
Well, can we make
Come on, we need water.
Well, can I get a big cake and that cake for my birthday?
Your birthday is in May.
I know that, but can I just get it for my birthday?
Yeah, you can get it from your birthday.
Please.
Excuse me. Okay, let's get water. Let's get that. That's the main thing we need.
It hurts
Water.
right here. It hurt.
What happened? Did you hit your mouth?
No, I was just pulling skin off my lip and it just hurt.
You pulled too much skin off your lip. Okay, here we go. This is what we need. We're gonna get this one because this got 40.
Dang, I want this.
Yeah, it is. Okay, what else?
Can I have this and that?
Sure. Get 3 of each.
Really?
Yeah.
3 and 3.
Hold on, give me these so I can help you.
Okay.
Oh, baby, I'm sorry.
3.
Okay, got it?
All 3 of them.
Hey, slow down. I'm not buying no fruit roll-ups because you don't like fruit roll-ups.
I do like.
Hey, Pooh, because you're not listening to what I'm saying. I'm telling you to get this.
This is so small.
Yeah, that's all you need. It's just you. Pick that up off the ground. They got the beef jerky too, but you don't ever want the beef jerky. All right, y'all. I have 90% of my voice back. I'm so happy. I tried picking up the camera a few times when my voice was hoarse still, but I figured y'all don't want to hear that. Who wants to hear a hoarse voice? A hoarse voice the entire vlog. So I figured y'all can pretty much stomach this voice. I look a mess, okay? That's to be expected. I've been sick. I ain't been feeling my best. But I feel like I'm better now. I'm still kind of congested. My voice kind of cracks in and out, but for the most part, I have my voice. Thank you, Jesus. I'm about to get ready to wash dishes because I'm here alone. I'm at the house by myself. This has not happened in a very long time, okay? So I'm happy the kids are at school. The husband is with his mom. They went to the store, grocery store, or what have you. But we go to the grocery store every day in this household, baby. Walmart will be visited at least once a day by either myself, probably me majority of the time, or the husband. But I'm about to get ready to wash these dishes because I had cooked last night and I had let these pots soak in some water overnight. So I'm about to get ready to get this together and figure out what it is that I'm about to make for lunch before the kids come home from school. So I just put out yesterday's vlog because now we're currently filming in current day time. I no longer have any leftover footage. So what I'm filming right now, y'all will get tomorrow. I just put out the Usher vlog, and baby, the way I was screaming, we're trying to run to my seat, that's probably what did it, because the concert was on a Friday. The next morning, Saturday morning, no lies, the concert was on a Thursday. Friday morning, I had no voice. When I woke up to brush my teeth and wash my face, baby, I had no voice. And I'm thinking that's what did it. On top of, like, you know, just me not feeling my best. But I feel like that did it. Why was I yelling like that? Crazy. That's crazy.